Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching.
Good morning. Hudson was a sleepy boy. It's 8:06 and he's just wanting to get up now. He was a sleepy guy. Yeah. Early morning. The cows are moving through back there. Yep. And Hudson's eating breakfast. Oh, it's a good day. Hudson and I are heading out of here. We're going to Starbucks to try and use their Wi-Fi so that I can send Johnny some drone footage because he needs it to finish editing one of the videos he's working on. Currently in the Starbucks parking lot, trying to upload stuff using their Wi-Fi. Yep. Finally got that done. Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk somewhere now. This is the Soldiers Pass trailhead. We want to hike to the Soldiers Pass cave, but parking is full, so we're headed back up towards the dog park. Parked the car, and now we're going. Got a mile to hike to the trailhead. I'm wearing shorts, but ooh, it's a little bit freaking cold out right now, so hopefully I warm up pretty quick. I'm sure I will. Hudson and I are gonna try to hike up to the Soldier Pass cave. Oh yeah, it's already 10:45, so we are getting quite a late start, but I had to send that stuff to John this morning. Very beautiful, just walking to the trailhead. All right, let's go, buddy. Woohoo! We're rocking and rolling. Yep. Checking out the red rocks. Let's keep going. Good job. Let's go find this cave. Huh? Stay. Wow. That's 7 sacred pools. You think that's cool? All right, let's keep going. We just peeled off to the right off the main trail. This is the way that All Trails wants us to go, I think. So hopefully we can find the cave. Huh? Let's try. We're now at this opening, clearing. There's other people up here. Let's go find the cave. If I'm guessing, the cave is right up there. Come on, dumb. This is the spot that we just stopped to take a water break. Pretty epic, Huts. The path keeps going up, so I think we're almost to the cave. Just in case you were wondering, I'm rocking like a awesome look. Double glasses, really bright clothes. Super cool. Doing good. We see the cave up ahead through the trees right there. So we are almost there. Whew. Come on, go up. Good boy. Check it out. We're almost there, buddy. Yeah. Whew. You're a good climber, aren't you? Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a minute, huh? When some people climb out, we'll go climb up, huh? What do you think? I think you can do it. We're not quite into the cave yet, but we're kind of in a section. Huh? There's so many people up here. Yeah. I'm sure we can get in. I just don't want to be shoving people with a dog. I'm climbing out on this ledge. Just stay there for a second. Yeah. Yeah. All right, I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back. Just hold on. I'm not leaving ya. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got ya. I know. You're a good boy. We made it. We made it into the cave. Okay. Good job. Thanks for trusting me. Good job. Time to go climb over there. Okay. We made it over to the keyhole. Wow. Rock on, buddy. Good job. What? Good job, dude. Good job. Ooh. Wow. All right, let me climb down, then I'll help you down, okay? Good job. Good job. Woo. Jesus, Jen. You scared me. Sorry. All right. We're gonna climb back down, buddy. We made it back down. You had a couple treats and some water. Yeah. I scraped up my knee a little bit. All right, let's go. Goodbye. Huts. Hold on a second. We'll at least look at this cave real fast. Yeah, I know you're happy to be out of that other one. Hold on, hey. There's Skippy-Doo. I do not recommend taking your dog on that. Hudson, come here. Very difficult to get into with the dog and much more difficult to get out of. So don't recommend taking your dog on that hike, but we did make it. All right, we're heading back down. Yeah, I know, that was a little rough for you, but you did good. I did give myself some road rash, but that was so that I didn't drop Hudson coming down out of the caves. Worth it. Here's the path. Still beautiful hiking out. It is getting hotter. You still coming, buddy? Yeah? All right. I believe that this is the sinkhole. Yeah? All right, cool. Let's go. Back towards parking. That's what we're looking for. Uh-huh. And then another mile after we get there. We're back. Now we gotta walk back to the car. City hiking, road hiking. Living the dirtbag life. Back on the Sunrise Trail. Yep, still got a decent amount to go, huh, bud? Oh, look at you, you attention pig. We just stopped at that dog park, checked it out. It's super cute. Hudson got to meet a couple pups, a couple doodles, German Shepherd, some other dogs. There's a couple German short-haired pointers. We stopped for about 10 minutes, so that was fun. We got to meet a few friends, huh? The dog park's back there. Now we're hiking up to our car. We're almost there. Made it back to the car. Oop. Now I gotta get the keys out. Once again, we're having quesadillas. They're gonna be delicious. For today's side, we're rocking purely hot sauce.
freaking delicious. I haven't eaten anything today. This is so good. Crispy, cheesy, hot sauce perfection. So Hudson and I have just been hanging out at camp. The sun is almost down. We played a little tug of war. This is my setup. I got my phone plugged in. I'm looking very incognito. Yeah, we just have been hanging out since dinner. I've been backing some stuff up on Google Photos and talking on the phone. So not too much going on. We haven't seen the cows come through. I don't know if they're gonna tonight, but we'll stay out here till the sun sets and then we'll climb in the car. We're just taking in the beautiful sunset over there, huh? Yeah. It is gorgeous. Yep. I'm just letting you run around. Yes. It's like 5:40, so we got like maybe 30 minutes of light left. Maybe. He's quite proud of himself over there. He's got a nice stick he's chewing on. Hi. You're so cute. Quick story time before I forget that it even happens. So on the trail today, when we were up near that cave, I let Hudson off leash because like taking him up that section is going to be easier to have him off leash. But so he went up running towards where we were going to go up, and a girl had just come down and she goes, ah! She thought he was a bear, like running towards her. He's a pretty scary bear, I think. You guys want to see tonight's sunset? What? It's super awesome. It's not as cool back here today. Usually we get some cool colors back here. It's not bad, it's just not as cool as usual. Kind of purple in this section. Purple and blue. But over here, this is the real stunner. One more quick look, even though the camera does not do it justice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous! Gorgeous!